Hi, welcome back to my channel. Join me in unboxing the MacBook Pro that I have recently purchased. I wanted to share with you the unboxing of my MacBook M1 Pro 14-inch. So, let's go straight ahead. Let's open this. So there's a tab here. Whoa. Whoa. This is the M1 Pro 14 inches. Yeah. MacBook Pro 14-inch with, let's go to the details at the back. 16 GB unified memory and 1 terabyte hard drive. So it's too tight, sealed. So here we go. Let's open it. Here it is. But before that, let's check the accessories. Let's put it aside. So here's the MagSafe charger. And it's braided. It's safe from my cats. Because my cats love chewing the cable. Okay. Next is an envelope with a manual which tells us how to switch it on and where the ports are, and another manual with some little bit of instructions on it. The rest are just some papers. Where's my sticker? I don't have a sticker. How come? How come I don't have a sticker? Oh. So here's the sticker. It's in black. Oh, by the way, I got the space gray. You'll see later. Okay, let's put it back. Flag, because I'm in UAE and we're using a 3-pin flag. So that's what we will be connecting it here. So I just got the 67, I think, the 67 watt charger, 3-pin plug, and then here's the charger, the USB-C. I'll connect it later. Nothing else. So now let's go to the main part. So here it is. Here it is. What is this? There's something wrong. Oh, there's an engraved MacBook Pro. I'll show you guys. I hope you can see. It is here. Which my old MacBook Air doesn't have. Nothing here. Let's put it out. So here's my MacBook M1 Pro in 14-inch, which I got in space gray. Let's remove the box. And try it. The MacBook Air is a bit wider, a bit bigger. So it's smaller than the MacBook Air I've been using before, but then it's heavier than that. This is, well, maybe just a little. And let's open it. Whoa! That sound when you open the laptop, it just really amazed me, and the sound of the speaker is really great. Well, it's now time to do the setup of this MacBook Pro, and then I'll just be showing you a part of it because it's a bit of a long process to be showing you on the video. So let's proceed and do the setup of this MacBook. The keyboard now comes in full black, and we're now missing the touch bar, which was there on the MacBook Pro 13-inch model. And whether you like it or not, there will be this notch on top of the screen where they have placed a camera with a bigger sensor. Next is the Touch ID, where you can use your fingerprint to open your MacBook. On both sides of the keyboard are the speakers, which really sound amazing. On the left side are the ports, the MagSafe 3, 2 Thunderbolt, 4 USB-C, and the headphone jack. On the right side is the HDMI port, 1 Thunderbolt, 4 USB-C, and the SD card slot. Behind the base of the casing, you will find a longer air vent, which is not that long on the previous models. They say it's for enhanced cooling. The 14.2-inch screen with ProMotion 120Hz, high refresh rate, really looks great. I'm really excited to be using this MacBook Pro because I really love the look and feel of it. So I think that's it for today, guys. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye!